Have you heard the buzz? India is on a mission, a massive, ambitious goal to transform its economy into a $5 trillion powerhouse. But what does that even mean? Is it just a big, flashy number, or is this a revolution that will change the lives of over 1 billion people? Let's break it down. This isn't just about money. It's about a complete national makeover. Think of it like this. India is getting a major upgrade from the ground up. We're talking about building world-class infrastructure. Imagine gleaming new airports, high-speed railways connecting cities in a flash, and super-smooth highways that cut travel time in half. This network is the circulatory system of the economy, and India is investing billions to make it stronger and more efficient than ever before. When goods, services, and people can move faster, everything grows. But it's not just about concrete and steel. The digital revolution is at the heart of this transformation. India already has one of the world's cheapest data rates, which has connected hundreds of millions of people to the internet. This digital highway is fueling a startup boom. From fintech companies changing how we manage money to e-commerce platforms delivering everything to our doorsteps, young entrepreneurs are building the future right now. This is where innovation thrives, creating new jobs and new solutions to old problems. A huge piece of this puzzle is Make in India. The goal is to turn the country into a global manufacturing hub. The government is rolling out the red carpet for companies, both domestic and international, to set up factories and produce everything from smartphones to electric vehicles right here in India. This creates jobs, reduces reliance on imports, and boosts exports. When you see Made in India on a product, it's a sign of this growing economic self-reliance and strength. Of course, you can't build a modern economy without modernizing agriculture. For centuries, farming has been the backbone of India, but now it's getting a tech-savvy update. We're seeing drones that monitor crops, AI that predicts weather patterns, and digital platforms that connect farmers directly to markets, ensuring they get a fair price for their produce. This isn't just about growing more food. It's about growing smarter and improving the livelihoods of millions of farmers. Powering this entire transformation is a massive push towards green energy. India is making huge strides in solar and wind power. Giant solar parks are sprouting up across the country, harnessing the power of the sun to provide clean, sustainable electricity. This commitment to renewable energy isn't just good for the planet. It's also making India's energy supply more secure and affordable, which is crucial for long-term economic growth. Now, a $5 trillion economy isn't built overnight, and the road ahead has its challenges. Things like global economic shifts, internal reforms, and making sure the benefits of this growth reach every single person are complex issues to navigate. It requires careful planning, consistent policy, and the collective effort of the entire nation. It's about creating an environment where businesses can thrive, but also where every citizen has the opportunity to improve their quality of life. So, what does this all mean for the average person? It means more job opportunities from construction and manufacturing to tech and services. It means better infrastructure, making daily life easier and more connected. It means access to better education and healthcare as the economy grows and the government can invest more in social sectors. It means a stronger rupee and more global influence for India on the world stage. The dream of a $5 trillion economy is more than just an economic target. It's a vision for a new India, an India that is innovative, self-reliant, and a leader in the 21st century. It's a story of ambition, hard work, and incredible potential. The journey is underway, and the world is watching. It's an exciting time, and the next decade will be truly transformative. What are your thoughts on this massive goal? Do you think India can achieve it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the stories shaping our world. See you next time.